Hey everyone, this is the Med City CPA, and if you're like me and you have a 2015 Chevy Sonic LT sedan, here are some tips of things you might want to look at to make sure everything is going okay. At least you know where things should be located. I'm not a mechanic, I'm just some guy who tries to take care of his car the best he can. I mean, I'm average. So first thing off, you want to look for the big black arrow, which points to your windshield wiper fluid. Then you want to look for the big black arrow, which points to the battery. You have the negative, you have the positive. These probably need to be cleaned. So I understand there's going to be some comments, which is fine. Let's see, what else do you guys need to know? There's how to put oil in if it's running low on oil. Right there. Okay, that's pretty easy. It says 5W30. That's what the manual says, so I don't know. Do something like that. Right here is the, I believe that's the oil. How to check the oil. You just pull it out and it'll say low or high or within running range. This here, I think it's radiator. I don't know. Once again, non-mechanic. And let's see, what else do you guys want to know about? There's a timing belt right there. Let me fold this back here. Oh, for Pete's sake. Okay. There's a timing belt right there. Okay. Right down there. I don't know, there's some intake of some sort. So I don't know. That's just a few minutes of, here's some more information. Overall, the 2015 Chevy Sonic, it's a pretty good engine. I really had no mechanical issues. I just rolled over 100,000 miles. So, I mean, I'd recommend the car as a daily driver. Yeah, that's about it. Pretty easy car to take care of. I've not replaced anything in it other than just changing the oil, changing the battery, putting windshield wiper fluid in. That's really about it. So I don't know, I'd recommend it. Just the little things that try to get the best value for your vehicle. So thank you, and subscribe and like if you guys want me to keep doing this.